How to turn on sound notification on Snapchat. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open Snapchat. Then when Snapchat is opening, you go here and click on your profile icon. Then go to settings and click, and then you go down. You will look for notification. As you see this notification, you click, then you go down and you go to sound, and you will turn on sound by clicking here on this icon. And that's it, it will work with you. That's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.